Hi everyone, it's me, and today I'm going to show you how to get free shirts easily. So first we go into create and you need to have this list. If you don't and you have this black screen, then you need to go underneath and do not press start recording, not start creating. You need to press manage my games. So then, once you press that, this screen will appear, and if you have that problem, then just press manage my games. It's no problem because you just have to press that. Now you have to go into my creations, shirts, and as you can see I already made some. So you need to choose a file, but as you don't have one, you need to open a new tab and type in Pixlr and free. You can't forget the free bit at the end because you have to pay for it. Photo editor, and then over here you can use photo editor and you need to press advanced. As you can see, I already made some. But you need to go into create new and open image. You go down into any document. Documents or desktop. And I saved some already because as you can see, I'm gonna need this if you want to make a shirt. Because if you want a shirt, then this is a video that you're looking for. You need to go back to Roblox. And you're gonna see here, did you use any template? If not, then you need to press save image as and save it into any one, but I already saved it so I'm not going to. You need to go into photo editor. You need to have two. You don't need to, but I have two. Well, you go into layer and add a new one. You have to. And this little box, you need to go into that. And if you want, I'm gonna go for a long shirt, then you have to go all the way down like that. If you want a crop top, then you can do this. Or I'm gonna choose the crop top. Yes, there's this one which you have to go from the top. So yeah, I'm gonna choose this one. You can add the colours, it's right at the bottom. You can choose any colour, to be honest, any colour that you prefer. And there's blue, but I'm gonna choose white. Okay, and go into the paint, fill, and then you press on the little square that you made first, and you need the sleeves. So go back to the top of the little square, you select it, and it's the exact same as it was at the top. So you need to pull it down from where the words are. You can pull it down like that much, which I'm gonna do short sleeved, and that's short sleeved. And again, you can pick the colour, but I prefer it matching, so I'm gonna go for white. Okay, and you need to press OK at the end. Fill, and I'm gonna fill it again. So that bit is all done. And over here you can see that there's two layers. And if you want to add a picture, then you can go into add image as layer. So go into layer and press add image as layer. It should be the third one down. And I already have some, but if you don't, then you can just go into Google and let me show you actually. It'll be simpler if I show you. So we're gonna go into hearts. Let's go into heart emojipedia, and then go for that, and you can pick any type of heart. I'm gonna pick the revolving hearts because maybe it shows friendship or something. You need to right click, and then you need to press save image as. I'm gonna put in heart Roblox just so that I'm 100% sure that I know it's a heart and that it's a clothing. So you need to go into layer, add image as a layer, and I'm gonna go for heart Roblox. And now, as you can see, you are going to want the scissors and then the arrow, whatever you want to call it. Sometimes you have to go like that, but you don't need to. Depends. And then you put it to the top, but you have to like shrink it because it's going to be quite big. Because it can be big if you want it, but I prefer it small because, yeah, that was way too big as I just put it. If you want to check the size, because you can't tell because there's a white background, you need to click onto background on the side, and the wand select, you select the wand, and then click in the middle, and then you can see it. And I'm actually really happy with mine. Mine came out perfectly like that. So mine is perfectly in the middle. So I'm going to go back into click, and you see that little lock? Yeah, it's locked. You need to unlock it and click it once, twice, 4 times, and then all of them are visibility. Or actually, yeah, I'm going to do it more times. Yeah, so it needs to look like this. And you need to press it 4 times so that it looks like that. You need to go into File and save it. Download, and you might need to wait a few seconds like I do. If you don't, then you can just go ahead and go into Roblox and choose a file, because you can't make a shirt if you didn't choose file. And I'm going to go into downloads, and my good template is over there. So you can see I already made some shirts, and that's mine. And then you need to name it. I'm going to name mine Heart. Let's go for Friendship Heart. Friendship. You can name it whatever you want. Like, say if you have a cactus, you can name it green cactus, white background. But I'm going to go for Friendship Shirt and upload. You need to press that big green upload over there. And it'll say shirt successfully created. And it might have to load. It will, like 30 minutes. And if you want it like for yourself and for others, for yourself, then just keep it like this. But if you want it for others as well, you go into sales and you'll see item for sale. You press that, and when you press 5, it'll give you free Robux in return. If you put 9, then it'll give you, if you put 10, it'll put 7. But I'm gonna go for 5 Robux, and you need to press save. So press it, and it should say successfully updated outfit. So now you go into general and save. Go to create, and then go into shirts, because we made shirts. You guys can make t-shirts, but I made a shirt. And as I said before, it'll take quite a long time. Like, it can take up to half an hour or longer, so don't worry if it takes a lot of time. As you can see, I made this shirt before, the Stay Safe 2021, and you can press try on, and as you can see, it's 10 Robux because I worked really, really hard on that. And well, you're going to create shirts, and when it loads, it'll be there. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. See you later. Leave some comments. Bye.